It's unboxing time. So this particular package is from SHEIN. Okay, I actually made a recent video and I was teaching you guys how you can be able to shop on the SHEIN app. And the questions, I'm like, no, I have to place an order so that I can be able to answer some of your pressing questions. So this particular package here is because of you people. That's why I bought it. The questions were just so many, and it has actually been a while, like a year, since I bought on the SHEIN app, and a lot of changes have actually taken place. Okay, so I just have to try it once again so that I can be able to answer some of your questions. So we are going to be doing the unboxing as I answer some of your pressing questions. Okay, so let's get right into it. Actually, I didn't come out with a season, so this is how the package came in. Okay, so this is how the package came in. I'm currently on campus, so I decided to get it on campus. Okay, so that I can actually do this unboxing video very early for you guys. So now, some of the questions that you people were asking was, can SHEIN deliver to Ghana? Immediately I saw that question, I was like, hey, my people, the video I made, that is exactly what the video is about. So why are you asking me that, can they ship to Ghana? Yes, of course, my people, it is over here. Okay, they can actually ship to Ghana. Now the next question that most of you were asking was, is SHEIN all about clothing? No, please. You can get a lot of items from SHEIN, from skincare products to accessories, to shoes, to bags. Though a lot of people get their clothing or buy clothing on the SHEIN app, it doesn't mean that SHEIN is all about clothing. In fact, if you want authentic skincare products, SHEIN is that place, like a place that you know that yes, of course, this particular item that I'm buying is really from this company. When you're buying skincare products, you just have to make sure that you're buying from the brand stores. Once you are buying from a brand store, that you're actually getting the original of that particular item. So I got some few clothing and some items, but let me open this one first. Okay, I think this one was a lip gloss that I got. So the next question that probably somebody that is new to this particular channel will be asking is, how did I place the order? I have a video, like a very simple easy video. I'll leave the link in the description. Just go and click on it and watch. Please make sure you finish watching the unboxing, because I'm going to be giving you tips at the end. Okay, once you are done, you can go and check out how you can actually be able to shop on the SHEIN app. So you guys that were saying that, is it about clothes? You see, this one is no clothing. This is a lip gloss that I got on the SHEIN app. Okay, so let me just bring it out. All right, so this is how the lip gloss actually looks like. I just hope it's very good and moisturizing. Let me try it out. Okay, it's not actually a lip gloss. This is a lip exfoliating gel. Okay, so you use this to actually exfoliate your lip. I mostly have dry lips, so that was why I got this particular one. So those of us that have been asking, it's not only clothing. Okay, it's not only clothing. Now let's move to the next question. How long did it take? I know that's like the question that most of you want to ask. How long did this take? So the next is this particular one. So this is a top that I got from one of the stores on SHEIN. Needed a brown top to pair with something. So I actually got this on the SHEIN app. This came with a belt, I guess. Okay, yes, because in the picture I saw a belt. So if there's no belt, I'm actually going to be very disappointed. So this feels silky, so like it's a silky top, and I really love the quality. The silk is very good, and I love how it feels. Okay, so now to how long this particular one took. So I placed the order on the 10th of June. Okay, and I received the order on the 22nd of June. Okay, that was the day Speeduff contacted me and told me that my package was actually ready. So it means that in all, it took 12 days for me to receive this particular item. Now, after this, I know the question that most of us will be asking is, Loki, how much did you pay for customs? People were that was the most asked question in that particular video. Now, I did not pay anything for customs. What happened was immediately I placed the order, I was sent an email to confirm the order. Once they confirm the order, they are going to receive all your packages from all the different suppliers. Once it's consolidated like this, they will send another email and tell you that your package has been sent out. Okay, so these people, like, they were very, very good when it came to tracking. They were always sending me emails. They will send me email as to where exactly my item is at whatever point. Okay, so that particular email comes with a tracking number. Once you receive the tracking number, that is where they are going to show you the company that is going to deliver your item. Okay, Speedup was the one that is supposed to deliver my package, so they gave me the tracking number, and they will give you a website in that tracking number or around that tracking number. Once you click on it, it takes you to Speedup, and you can always track it from there. But they were always sending me emails, so I did not track my items. So once the package got to Kumasi over here, they actually sent me a message. Speedup sent me a message that my package was ready for pickup. But what I know is they are supposed to actually deliver this, but they did not deliver. But it's very, very close. So the important thing that you have to do when you are placing your order is to make sure that you are as precise as possible with your location. Okay, you are as precise as possible so that your package can be sent to the closest around you. All right, so that if they are not even able to deliver, you can just go there and pick up. And it's very, very close to me, so I didn't have any issues with delivery. I just went to their office and I picked up my item. So the next question is, how much did you pay? I did not pay anything. Yes, my people, I didn't pay anything. I did not pay anything. So those of you that were afraid that maybe they might charge you or something like that, no, they didn't charge me. So all of these, I only paid for the items, money for the items. Apart from that, I did not pay anything. But one thing that I've realized that other people that have shopped on the Shein app always complain. If you are buying more than 1,000 cedis, they might charge you. Okay, so please try to always divide your orders. But one thing too that I've realized on the Shein app is that they now have their prices in Ghana cedis. So I feel like something very good has actually gone on, and many people were complaining about the platform because your item will get here and customs and all of that. So I think they have actually sorted that particular issue out, so you can actually feel free to shop on the Shein app. One thing I love about this Shein app is that you receive your items very, very early. Yes, like 12 days, I've received my package. I did not pay for any custom fees and all of that. I didn't pay for any shipping fee and all of that. So this particular one over here is hair oil, essential oil. So this particular one and the lip exfoliant is actually from the same company. So I think their name is Slow's Day or so. So the reviews on this was very, very good, so I decided to actually get it for my hair. One important thing you always have to check is the reviews. Check the reviews, okay, before you buy any item that doesn't have reviews as a beginner, that you are just shopping on the Shein app, I wouldn't advise you to actually go in for it. Okay, so the next and last package is this. So I actually saw it was 4 packages. So this one too is a top. This color, no, because I felt like the color was a bit of lemon green and not this color. And this size too looks bigger. But most of the time, I always be like, it looks bigger, it looks bigger. When I fit to the thing will fit. Hey! But I feel like this is going to be very big on me. And the color too, like, just judge for me. The color that I bought, I actually feel like it was a bit of lemon green, something like that. But this color doesn't really look much of it. But the quality is good. For some of you will be asking is, are Shein items quality? Now let me tell you that there are different suppliers on the Shein app. Okay, so when you buy, this supplier is different, the other dress is different. It's only the two, the lip exfoliants and the other one that was from the same supplier. So it means that they receive all of these items at a go, and they consolidate them and bring it down to you. So it's not from one supplier. So that is why I'm like, you have to always read reviews. So I can't give you a direct answer if the items are quality or not. It depends on the type, it depends on the supplier that you're actually buying from. You can buy from a supplier and you wouldn't get the quality that you need. You can also buy from another supplier and you get the quality that you need. These particular ones that I got, yes, the quality is very good, but this one, the color, I doubt it unless I go and check again and see. I doubt that this was the color I actually chose. I chose a bit of lemon green. So apart from this, every single thing is okay. And this is the process plus the number of days it took. So those of you who want to shop on the Shein app and you were asking me in that particular video, please, you can go ahead and shop on the Shein app. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, I am Doki, and over here I teach you how to start a profitable importation business. If this sounds interesting, make sure you hit on the subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. It is bye bye.